As coronavirus cases surge across the country, more than half of the US states are now requiring everybody to wear a mask in public. Literally, I was driving the other day on my way to work a shift in the ER and I saw a man jogging with a piece of plexiglass plastered to the brim of his baseball cap. I thought to myself, is this man living in the next century, or are we headed down a public mandate for face shields now in public? Are face shields the next summertime accessory? Many retailers have begun selling their own cloth face masks with all different designs and such. But should we be strapping a windshield to our foreheads? Shields are often composed of a curved plate of plastic that hovers over the face, held in place by multiple different means worn around the head. Face shields range in different styles and designs, from tinted plastic covers to decked out rhinestone covered accessories. But do you need a face shield, and are they more effective than a mask? Today I'm going to explain exactly what these things are and the different types, as well as what the difference between wearing a mask and a face shield is. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Jordan Wagner. I'm a board certified emergency medicine physician, and on my show I answer your urgent medical questions and clear up myths about certain deadly diseases. If you haven't already done so, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notifications on. That way you are instantly alerted when I post a new video. We know the virus spreads primarily from person to person through respiratory droplets that are produced when we talk, sing, scream, and shout. Of all the current information and research that has been done on COVID-19, we know that there is a large population of asymptomatic positive COVID-19 cases, but do not know a great understanding of exactly how infectious, if at all, this population is. Researchers have also discovered that individuals who do become ill with COVID-19 are at their most contagious just before developing symptoms. Therefore, we wear masks to protect not only ourselves, but also each other. Hypothetically, if I am infected with coronavirus, my mask will capture any large respiratory droplets I produce before they are expelled into the air, thereby preventing me from unknowingly infecting people around me. Remember though, this is not 100%, and social distancing and staying home when you're sick are very important. A face shield, by the nature of its design, would more likely allow these droplets to escape. It's just a deflector. How do face shields work? Face shields basically involve curved plastic that protects your eyes or your face from infected droplets. They are typically used by healthcare workers for certain procedures where splash or splatter of any kind is likely to occur, such as the dentist. A face shield does a good job of protecting against the really big stuff that you can see, but when it comes to the small stuff, it's just easy for that to go around the face mask and be inhaled. Face shields can block large particles from getting into your eyes and mouth. Face shields do not prevent the spread of COVID-19, but can help reduce transmission, simply acting as a deterrent from you touching your face with unwashed and potentially contaminated hands. Typically, face shields are single use, but you can sometimes clean them with plain soap and warm water and recycle for future use. Should you get a face shield? Face shields can be an additional layer of protection against COVID-19, along with wearing a face mask, practicing safe social distancing, and washing your hands regularly. Face shields do not replace face masks, as they do not fit your face and effectively block respiratory droplets from the air around you. Face shields should be worn in addition to a mask, not on their own. Only if you cannot wear a mask for a multitude of reasons should the next best thing be a shield. For the record, the CDC does not recommend face shields for everyday activities as a substitute for face coverings. And as most US states are on mandatory face coverings in public, a face shield is not classified as proper face covering according to local state and health officials. Most people opt for a face shield because they believe that they'll be less of a burden or a bother than wearing a mask. Newsflash, it's actually the opposite. Shields are bulkier and heavier than masks. They're certainly more uncomfortable than a mask, trust me on this one. And they don't help the individual wearing the shield from spreading anything that they might have to someone else. How to shop for the right face shield. Most face shields are made with plastic, though some materials can be more rigid than others, and some are more scratch resistant. Shields that are more durable will last longer. Clarity is one of the most important aspects to look for. You want to be able to see through the shield clearly. Many online retailers have pivoted to making face shields in addition to masks. You may also be able to find face shields in home improvement stores, hardware, or medical supply stores. So short answer, no. face shields are not a replacement for face coverings. Just wearing a face shield isn't going to be very protective. With virus-infected particles flying around you in an area, they can easily creep in the large openings on the side or the bottom of the shield. Alright, that's been your face shield conversation with me, Dr. Wagner. Let me know in the comments if you have any other medical questions that you'd like me to answer, and as always, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification. Thank you so much for watching, and stay healthy, my friends.